My next topic is all about the social organization of religions. So, religious organizations help structure how a religion works in a society, how it spreads, governs, or interacts with governments. So, the first is the ecclesia. So the term ecclesia originates from the Greek word ekklesia, which means assembly or gathering. An ecclesia is a church or religious organization that has a close relationship with the state, and it usually has a large number of members. It is not just a small religious group. In fact, it is often the dominant or official religion in a society. This means the ecclesia is often supported by the government and sometimes even controls the influences national policies, education, and laws. To make it easier to understand, I think that the ecclesia is as a religion that has become a part of the country's identity and works side by side with the government. Because of this close partnership of ecclesia often gains power and influence over people's everyday lives. Ecclesia has an important rules. So first, an ecclesia is closely tied to the state, meaning the government and the church work together. Second, it has a large membership. It represents the majority of people in the society. Third, ecclesia is a dominant religious group, so it is supported by the government. In many cases, the ecclesia becomes the official state religion. It may also suppress or co-opt conflicting religious groups, meaning it may try to control, absorb, or silence other religions, often with the help of the state. Why we need to study ecclesia? When we study ecclesia, we realize how powerful religion can be, not just in people's heart but in running a state or nation. Ecclesia shows that religion can become a central part of the country's identity and power. But while it can help unite people, it also reminds us of the importance of protecting diversity and allowing freedom of belief for all. My last topic is all about denomination. So, denomination is a large and well-established religious groups that can exist within the society but not officially connected to the government. It is also recognized, accepted, and respected by the public, but it operates independently from the state. This means the government does not control it, and it also doesn't control the government. Denomination is unlike ecclesia, which often the official or the state religion. A denomination does not have formal ties with the government. However, it still plays an important role in the society because it has a large number of followers and well-organized practices. Think of it as a major branch of religion, like a team under the same faith, that it has its own style of worship, teachings, or leadership structures. Next is the characteristics of denomination. So, first is it is a religious organization, meaning it is structured, established, and has rules and leaders. Second, denomination is not connected to the state. It works on its own without depending on or influencing the government. It has a large number of members which make it influential to the community. Fourth, it is generally accepted and respected in the society, so it's not extreme or rejected. Fifth is it may exist alongside other religions or denominations, meaning people have the freedom to choose what group they want to be part of. So, why do domination important in society? So, a denomination allows freedom or religious expressions and peaceful existence. People can choose which group matches their beliefs and values, and different denominations can exist in one country without conflict as long as there is a respect. So, this system encourages diversity within the shared faith, giving believers the opportunity to grow in a way that speaks to their hearts. Even if a people belong to different denominations, they often believe in the same God. They just express their faith in different ways. So, this reminds us that unity doesn't mean uniformity, and differences can still exist in harmony. Denominations shows us that faith can be expressed in many ways. Even within one religion, people can choose different paths. Each path can still lead to love, hope, and a deeper relationship with God. And that's all.